Extracting specific selected columns to new data frame is a copy. I have a pandas data frame with 4 columns and I want to create a new data frame that only has 3 of the columns. This question is similar to extracting specific columns from a data frame but for pandas not R. The following code does not work, raises an error, and is certainly not the pandasnic way to do it. What is the pandasnic way to do it?
There is a way of doing this, and it actually looks similar to R. Here you are just selecting the columns you want from the original data frame and creating a variable for those. If you want to modify the new data frame at all, you'll probably want to use .copy to avoid a setting with copy warning. An alternative method is to use filter, which will create a copy by default. Finally, depending on the number of columns in your original data frame, it might be more succinct to express this using a drop. This will also create a copy by default.
The easiest way is
Another simpler way seems to be where old.column_name will give you a series. Make a list of all the column series you want to retain and pass it to the data frame constructor. We need to do a transpose to adjust the shape.
Columns by index.